What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. I've got the Tamiya Sierra all painted and ready to be glued together. There's a couple little small details left. I've got to finish the wiring on the engine, and that's about it, really. I mean, yeah, no, it's not it at all. Looking at this, it's got some taping that needs to be done. Pretty extensive. Ask me how I know. Oof. That's just the bottom half to get that little line. Goes all the way around the one, or around the side. I can do the rest of it with Sharpie, but this one I'll use the tape edge to get a nice straight even line throughout. So it's going to be a little tedious. These curves at the front will probably be the most challenging bit. The interior, I kind of went back and forth about the color, and you know, going online and doing the research for this before, as with almost any build, I'll do that. I'll go online and look and see some pictures. I'll, you know, type in the make, model, and / interior, or / hot rod, or / lowrider, or whatever, and, you know, get some ideas, some visual cues, and some what do they look like, what do they not look like, and then, you know, apply some of my own taste and style, as well as any experience in the automotive that I might have. Like this, my idea is that those are all aftermarket high performance bushings and seals and whatnot, you know, so they're red. Whatever. Squint one eye and make believe. The wheels, they came out really nice. And props for, I had made a post about the wheels and the colors, and my original idea, the first video showed kind of what I was after, that Cal Custom look, where it's all, you know, stormtroopered. It's like one solid color white with black accents everywhere, and then a little bit of red in the middle. That was a viewer's idea that mentioned that these are race wheels and that center cap has to be red. I'm like, you know what? I kind of have to agree. Visually, that definitely sends it. So that's really about where I'm at now. The interior, as I was leading up to, going online and doing research, almost all of them were gray, or a lighter gray, or, you know, I did see some that were black, and in the interest of, I'm running out of materials here, a lot of stuff. I'm seriously running, I don't know if I even have the glue to finalize this kit, this build. But it's black. I'm going with black. It's black. There you go. So that's really about it. Got some few pictures, slideshow of, you know, the painting and the prep and whatnot to get to this point. As always, enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one, where this thing will probably be on its wheels. Thanks for watching, everybody.